All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Surfside PPC marketing lesson number 8. So lesson number 8 is going to be listen to your audience. So your audience is going to give you their feedback all the time, whether it's on social media, whether it's through actual product reviews. Maybe they're sending you in direct feedback right to your business. But there's different ways that your audience is going to give you feedback. So just some quick examples. If you're selling a product or you have a service, you generally have a review system set up. So in the reviews, you're going to get some positive reviews. There's nothing wrong with listening to those as well. But you're also going to get some negative reviews for some of the issues that people had with your products, some of the issues people had with your services, or your content altogether. So the main thing is to look at that feedback and use that feedback to your advantage. So for some of the positive reviews, you might want to just use that in your marketing so you can highlight them on your website and show that other people have enjoyed your products and services and they're leaving them 5-star reviews. And then for some of the more negative reviews or critical reviews, people who have had some issues with it, use that, make notes of the common problems that people have, and in the next iteration of your product or service, make sure you're fixing it. Now, in addition, if you're creating content, you're going to get feedback, whether it's people looking for additional types of content, people having questions about something that you said, or for this example right here, the audio is too soft. And then I see you got a new microphone. Tutorials are much more enjoyable now. So over time, I've always tried to improve my tutorials and make them a little bit better. I started recording on a new laptop with a new screen recording software. And recently I just got a new microphone. So just trying to improve the overall quality of the tutorials that I'm creating. And all of that is through basically listening to my audience, listening to what people tell me. The other thing I do a lot is I use my audience for content suggestions. So just some 3 quick tips is listen to positive and negative customer feedback. So your negative customer feedback can be very helpful. Obviously, if it's extremely negative, you can just kind of block those people from wherever they are able to leave that type of feedback for you, because sometimes you just don't need to see that. But if someone leaves me critical reviews and they tell me something that's critical but respectful, I actually encourage that. I enjoy that because it helps me improve my overall tutorials. The other thing is ask your audience for content suggestions. So as you're creating content, you're going to get people who ask you questions. You're also going to get people that say, hey, can you create a video about this? Can you create an article about this? Do you have any solutions to this? So you can use your audience and see some of the issues they're facing for your own content suggestions. Because if one person is facing a problem, there's probably other people out there that are facing that similar problem. And then last but not least, acknowledge new solutions. So right when I got a new microphone, I acknowledged it. I basically talked about it. I'm talking about it right now. When I do make fixes, I try to acknowledge them as quickly as possible. If you have a product or service and there's an issue that a lot of people have been having, you can definitely acknowledge those types of solutions that people are having. If you ever update an app in your phone, usually they'll tell you some of the different things they updated. So just acknowledging the new solutions, and usually it's based on customer feedback. So make sure you listen to your audience. That's going to be Surfside PPC marketing lesson number 8.